Hi! In Excel, there's a feature called Show Formulas that instantly shows every formula in your spreadsheet at once. In this video, I'll show you how to view the formulas and how to hide them again. Here I have a spreadsheet with some data and a few formulas. In the normal view, all you can see are the results, and it's not clear which figures are typed in and which are the result of calculations. To view the formulas, all I need to do is press Ctrl and the backtick key. Every cell that contains a formula now shows the formula itself instead of the result. You can see what is going on in each cell, which cells are being referenced, and what calculations are being done. Now, to switch back to the normal views, I just press Ctrl and the backtick again. It's a simple toggle. Press it once to show the formulas and press it again to hide the formulas. As an alternative, if you prefer using the ribbon rather than a keyboard shortcut, head up to the Formulas tab at the top. In the Formula Auditing section, you'll see a button called Show Formulas. Click it once to turn the formulas on and click it again to hide the formulas. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and there are more Excel tips on this channel, so please take a look around and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.